Hello everyone, I'm going to play you part of a piece called Missabotti Mist, the mist that rises over the hills out here every morning. I've used the R&B drum kit which makes this bubbling sound and added some sort of cricket and fake frog noises etc. on it. And I've used a lot of instruments off the world dial here, the pan flute and the harp and so on, to sort of give it that fake hippie sound. If you like, I won't play a lot of it because it gets a bit boring, to be honest. Let's see what happens.